Yo bugs, want to take a walk with me. Cut across in the Shas cut. Wow, look at them plants. That is Ballia savan, we just call it Ballia savan. You can use that for inflammation, broken bones, fractures and all them things now. See, this is the same one. Down there variegated. And this is the normal one. All the seeds, you crush them, add some salt and some blue soap, and you make a potion, like a compress, and put it on your skin and wrap it around wherever that's broken or whatever, and it will help to heal the broken limb. Okay, let's look at there. Let's go. That is soap. That is soap bush. You just use that when you go by the river. You can use that to bathe. Somebody tell me they used to eat the ripe ones. Actually tasty, dog. Actually tasting nice. Actually tasted nice. I never eat it before. But the fucking thing actually. Look. There's all these little seeds in it. Tasty. But yeah, we used to use it as soap when we was younger, and when you go in the Zion and you go up in the bush and you have to soup around the hut, around the house in the Zion. You can use that bush, or you can use the Ballia savan, like what I mentioned there just now. Nature therapy for the nature lovers. Hope you like it. And guys, don't forget to check out Sly's Oils and Butters on Google. That's SLY apostrophe S Oils and Butters. Okay, boom.